That's what I keep, money I see. I don't need no distraction, no the drama, no flexing. You right there talking on Twitter, moving silently like a ninja. All these haters just creeping, I ain't got time for no playing the games, never chasing flame. Struggles are real and that shit real pain. Always making time for the loves, yeah, I'm chasing it all. There ain't nothing you gotta hide, I'm down to ride. Can't nobody call me small, I ain't never gonna fall. Trying to bring me down, I can't afford to fall. Gotta fight for what's mine, where it's all belong. Burn bright and strong, yeah, I let the struggle fade. I ain't afraid, I can't be stopped, I'm on top. Stuck in last place, focus on that crash. Y'all are some snakes, I got no brakes. That's all I know, I do it like a show. They can come and go, always flowing smooth no matter what I prove. Always on the move, ain't no holding back. Feel too alive, I'm rising above. Yeah, they made a stand, you wouldn't understand. Never broke, I ain't losing hope. Y'all keeping bands, I'm counting up these bands. We playing for chains, I'm breaking chains. Wearing a crown, never backing down. Do it for the kid, yeah, we taking a risk. At my side, we ain't got no foes. Blazing with my ears, don't let it hide. Ride with them all, yeah, when we fall alive. Hustle just to survive, I ain't changing who I am. Can't afford to let it slide. Got a fire burning inside. Diamonds in the rough, yeah, I had to rise above. Rising cause they gotta crumble. Riding through the fame and the hustle.